In this video, I will show you how to apply Uber Eats delivery job in Japan. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over first right here to your account. And then after that, just scroll down and in here you can see this earn by driving or delivering option. Head over and click on that and it will direct you to this new page right here. So on default, if you're not logged in, you will be prompted to log in. But if you're already logged in, like I do, you should be able to see in here this verification code for your phone number. So for this one, just look for the Japan. When you click on the country, just choose Japan right here. And then for this one, just enter your Japanese phone number. And then after that, just click on this update option that you can see right here onto your screen. So this will verify your identity when you're trying to link your Uber Eats app. So that's how you apply Uber Eats delivery job in Japan. Hope you helped.